the most important things when you use a puller, you need to clean the damaged area using the pneumatic brush. And this is how you operate the inverter welding. First, choose the type of gun you use, and for now we use the puller, so we need this one. And then it's important that we know the size of the panel or the metal piece that we are going to weld. First, attach or make a contact from puller to panel, and then push it, then press, and then pull it little, and again. I'm going to show you how to weld the panel using a MIG welding. And you need to use, in welding, it's very important that you need to use safety equipment, personal equipment, such as the helmet, the gloves, welding gloves, and the apron. And this is how we're going to weld. Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to fix a dent of a car using hammer and dolly. Of course, the safety personal equipment. Position the dolly underneath against the hammer, and then pull it with force